Hey y'all, welcome back to Krista's Kitchen. So we have a really quick eat every plate meal for tonight. We're on week 2 of the every plate subscription boxes, and this is our second meal. So we're about 6 meals into it. This one I chose for tonight because we do have plans, and it's a very, very quick meal. It looks very easy too, which all of their meals have been simple and easy to follow. But this one has 10 minutes prep and 25 minutes total until ready. So Turkish chicken and rice bowl with a tomato cucumber salad and a lemon crema. Now, if we don't like the lemon crema, I did pick up some tzatziki from one of my favorite Mediterranean restaurants on the way home today. But 25 minutes until you can get dinner on the table, I think that's going to be an automatic win. I will move y'all in closer. We'll get started and see how long this does take and is it worth it. But let's come on and see. So dinner's all done, and as you can see, the timer's still counting down. So we beat that clock without really rushing to try and do it. So I'm just going to turn that off so it doesn't interrupt us. But it looks yummy. I will have to say, it said on the package of meat that it was chicken tenders, and these are like chicken pieces. I don't mind because I have to cut up for the children anyway, but I think that makes a big difference, especially whenever you look at my photo compared to the stock photo for theirs. You'll see theirs are small tenders and mine are chicken pieces, so it's going to look a little bit different. I did make the lemon crema that they provided all the stuff for, but I'm so glad I stopped by my Mediterranean store and I got their tzatziki. It's such a better flavor to me. I really didn't like this, which I don't like sour cream, so that could be a huge part of it. However, I love to cook with sour cream. I love the flavor that it gives things, but this just isn't where it's at for me. I am a little worried that there's so much lemon in it. I wonder if Michael's going to eat it with so much lemon. So I did avoid the lemon zest just to kind of take that away because I'm afraid that he'll say, oh no, too much lemon and stuff like that. But it looks delicious to me. I like the idea that they put garlic in with the rice. I've never really added anything to my rice. So let's see. That's really good. I'm going to have to get me some Turkish-spiced. That's yummy. This tzatziki though, I've tried and I cannot make good tzatziki. So if you have a good tried and true recipe, then please send it my way. If you say the Sam's Club or the Costco version, I've tried those and I'm telling you, that's not real tzatziki. We lived in Germany for a couple of years and there was a little bistro right outside of our little complex area. And they make it, and this restaurant is the closest I've found as authentic as that. And maybe that's why I'm a little tzatziki snob. When I was pregnant with my first child, I lived off of pizza bread and tzatziki. Like I would just order a regular pizza bread and dip in just like a pita pita bread, but they did olive oil, salt, and pepper, and everything. And I would just tear up that pizza bread and scoop it into tzatziki, and that was basically all I ate through my first pregnancy. But this is a delicious combination, and I had already tasted their little salad they had us make with the tomatoes and cucumbers, and just a little bit of sugar. Which I use brown sugar because I have some fresh cane sugar, and I'm working on limited pantry, which is one of the reasons we're trying this. We're packing up right now, so I have limited kitchen utensils, limited pantry as we pack everything, and I thought this would be perfect. But I'm not sure what it is, but the mix of the sugar with the lemon really kind of brought that together. I might actually do that on other dishes in the future to kind of make like a little salad topping or something to add to pasta, because that's really good. Again, the tzatziki that I have here, the pita bread, didn't come with this, but even without it, I think it's a delicious dish. If I was making it and I didn't have my little Mediterranean place down the street, then I would just avoid the lemon crema. Personal preference, but I think it's delicious even without it. I do think that the extra creaminess adds a layer to it, but I'd skip it if it was that, and I'd always add it if it's this. But if you have anything like this, or you've tried something similar, let us know. If you are a regular subscriber or a regular tune-inner, or whatever you want to call, please do like and subscribe so that we know which of these videos that y'all really like and y'all want to see more of. And we will see y'all next time. Thank you for joining us, and y'all have a good weekend. Bye.